Hello employers. Sexual harassment complaints during lockdown? What are you going to do about it? Just when companies were breathing a sigh of relief that posh issues and complaints would not arise during lockdown, here is a startling fact to the contrary. Several complaints of sexual harassment have been filed during lockdown, opening a whole new can of posh worms for organizations. Despite employees working remotely, several complaints have been filed during lockdown about calls to women employees at odd hours, unwarranted requests for video calls, gender-biased comments, inappropriate language used in virtual team meetings, sharing of inappropriate images, and sexist jokes in team groups. However, amidst the business lockdown, companies are facing delays in dealing with sexual harassment cases. This is owing to the reluctance of complainants to complete the investigation process via video due to fears of data leak and privacy concerns. Clearly, sexual harassment can happen to anyone, anytime, and anywhere, regardless of gender or sexual orientation. Here's a quick question. Can an internal complaints committee take suo motu cognizance of an alleged offense of sexual harassment if the victim refuses to file a written complaint? Well, first and foremost, the employer is duty-bound to prevent sexual harassment at the workplace in compliance with the spirit of the POSH law and the IPC. In case of a refusal to file a written complaint or to take help from the IC in doing so, the Standing Orders Act empowers the employer to take suo motu cognizance. The employer can take suo motu cognizance since sexual harassment is a misconduct under the company's standing orders and the Model Code of Conduct. Not only this, various court judgments have upheld the right of the employer to have a preliminary investigation or to conduct a fact-finding inquiry or ex parte investigation to apprise themselves of the real facts and to decide whether an employee should be charge-sheeted. Many companies approach Sequel for a resolution to these and other naughty sexual harassment issues at the workplace. Clearly, there are better ways to prevent sexual harassment at the workplace rather than simply shooting the posh offenders. Train the team to prevent, prohibit, and redress sexual harassment at the workplace. Sequel has a plethora of online, e-module, and classroom trainings for your team. So, how can Sequel help? Well, to start with, we provide online POSH modules for employee training and online employee certification. We also provide classroom training and IC training, senior management training, worker training, virtual training, all of this in multiple languages format. Sequel is a WCD Ministry recommended POSH trainer. Since 2015, we are providing cutting-edge POSH compliance and POSH training solutions to corporates. Our training is different because we tell the stories from the workplace that stay with employees, not rules and sections that employees tend to forget. It's time to walk the talk. If sexual harassment incidents are happening even during lockdown, clearly it's time your company's zero tolerance policy for sexual harassment needs to be put to the test. Yes, even if they're working remotely, all your employees need to feel safe, supported and happy, irrespective of their gender. Remember, sexual harassment can happen to any gender. Before we conclude, here's a quick recap. What are the different types of sexual harassment? Well, sexual harassment may be visual, verbal and physical in nature. As we mentioned in the beginning, there have been many complaints of visual sexual harassment during lockdown. These include sharing or forwarding inappropriate pictures or drawings and obscene emails or texts. And yes, lockdown has even thrown up verbal POSH complaints. These include sexual innuendos, sexual jokes, and gender-based comments over virtual meetings. Sequel can also offer clients an online POSH complaints portal for employees and contractors to lodge their complaints. On receipt of a verified complaint, Sequel will share the same with the IC and work on the resolution plan. The IC and employer thus Get the services of an impartial POSH compliance partner who can screen, act upon, and dispose their POSH complaints satisfactorily.
Make your company's compliance system agile enough to beat any pandemic or criticality. SQL has you covered. With our cloud compliance tool, Cloud Audit for company and vendor, and a robust central audit team, 100% labor compliance is no longer a dream. If you have the will, we have the way. Call SQL now for a demo on how we can take your labor and employment compliance to new heights. Thanks for watching.